That's that Gucci water. Nasty. That's also that Gucci water. All right, well, there you go. Still taking a little bit to the face, but that's all right. Oh, yeah, that's going right in my face. Two-way clean out. So, there are a lot of Poopskies in there, I'll tell you that much. Wow. Okay. So let's jet it. Let's send the Reaper. I'll be honest with you. Ever since I've had this Gorlitz jetter, it's been a hassle. It leaks every time from this thing. I've had the pressure adjusted multiple times, and the thing's just a hassle. You just can't go wrong with snakes. But I couldn't get it with the jetter. But I'm on the clog right now. I really don't recommend these Gorlitz jetters. I think they've developed a name for themselves for some reason, but I've had nothing but issues with this thing ever since I've gotten it. So don't get a Gorlitz jetter. They're garbage. Roots, baby wipes, the usual.